Hey, Zero TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. I mean, damn, guys, I'm blinded out here. I don't know if it's the sun or this beautiful TMG pit in front of us. We've got a 330-gallon off-road package heading my man Jose all the way over in California with BBQ From the Curb. All right, y'all go check out Jose. He's got a really awesome setup in California, and he wanted something he can set outside of his restaurant he's got there, draw a crowd in, smoke some brisket on, of course. And I think we got him set up right in this beautiful Lakers yellow automotive finish here, guys. 3-stage, 3 coats of high gloss clear coat. Looks slick, really pops in the sun. I mean, this thing is bright. As you can see, it is on our off-road package. Upgraded wheels and tires from our guys mods down in Texas. Did do the fold down stack. All of our tank smokers come standard with a fold down stack. I ain't charging you extra. Got the blacked out TMG logo, of course. We'll open up the smoke chamber here. Like on all of our tank smokers, you get full bottom trays and all. Guys, if your tank smoker has 5 doors in it, guess what? You're getting 5 sliding trays. All right, I ain't charging extra for top grates. We got 2 top grates in there. Got the fire poker as well. 1.5-inch ball valve down there for the grease drain on this unit. Now we did add the counterweighted doors on the 330 because they get a little heavy. TMG Pits Tell True thermometers in the doors, of course. Made in the USA. We got the blacked out BBQ From the Curb logo on there. Open up the firebox here. This is our insulated firebox, guys. All of our tank smokers come standard with a fully insulated firebox. I mean, the door's insulated, whole firebox insulated, the front of it's insulated as well. No, the paint's not gonna burn off. I see the comments already, your paint's gonna burn off. No, it's not, okay? Holds heat extremely well, does not get that hot on the outside. It will not burn the paint off right here, guys, all right? Hopefully that shut down about 40 comments for me to go through at the end of this video. Anyway, guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know who to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.